Managing complex networks can be overwhelming. IT teams struggle with misconfiguration, inaccurate or outdated sources of truth, leading to longer mean time to repair, slower deployments, and increasing costs. Hello, I'm Kevin Irwin, Senior Director of Product Management at Gluware, and I'm here to demonstrate that Gluware has the solution to match your source of truth to your production network. I'll start with the Gluware Device Manager application. As you can see, Gluware discovers each of these attributes of the devices, except for things like asset tags, which is not a discoverable property of a device, but an identifier for inventory tracking. Next, I'll flip over and look at NetBox, my source of truth. All the devices are in there correctly as you would expect, except with none of the discovered properties, such as the serial number, software, or software version. All the other data was input manually. Next, I'm going to look at the site data. You can see I have two sites, Dallas and New York. Each of my Dallas devices have a naming convention beginning with DAL and NYC for New York. Now if I go to NetBox, I see that I have two sites, Dallas and New York, and I need to populate devices into those sites. Now I'll show how to set up the integration. Navigate to Settings, then Organization, click CMDB Integration, and let the screen load. Here's the ability to configure the connection to your NetBox system. To link devices, Gluware gives you the ability to choose which piece of information is authoritative for the sync. For example, you can match devices by serial number, name, host name, or any combination of all three. If your devices are not set up in Gluware or NetBox, Gluware has the ability to create automatically in either system. Next are the sync rules. There are sections for either system to be the source of truth for any particular record. This way, all of your sources of truth are kept in sync and up to date. In this case, Gluware is syncing the discovered serial number, primary IP address, software, and software version to NetBox. If I wanted to, I could add other properties as displayed on the screen. On the NetBox side, I'm taking the asset tag from the NetBox system and adding it to a custom field in Gluware. If I wanted to choose others, I could choose from the list of all the various attributes that are displayed in the box here. I could do the same for site-specific properties as well. If you want the ability to create exclusions from syncing between the two systems, you have the ability to create a filter. For example, let's say you want to exclude all of the 7304 SKUs from Gluware, and you want to exclude all of the Extreme Networks devices in NetBox. We give the ability to do that in a very complex method if you like, with multiple and or nested statements. Now I'll perform a sync. I click Schedule and the Run Syncing button. As that runs, I'll return to my NetBox system and watch the updates happen in real time. You can see that the Gluware discovered data has now populated into the serial number, software, and software version fields. Now I'll return to Gluware and check to see if the asset tags were synced from NetBox. And there they are. Since my device data is now in order, let's check the sites. In Gluware we have the Dallas sites and the New York sites. And as we flip over to NetBox, we'll see that the Dallas site devices and the New York site devices have all been populated successfully. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For more information, check out our website at gluware.com.